I am Christy, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Department, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Cuddalore 1. This video let us see about research approaches, significance of research methodology, difference between research methods and methodology. Research approaches. Two types of research approaches are quantitative approach and qualitative approach. Quantitative approach. It involves the generation of data in quantitative form, which can be subjected to rigorous quantitative analysis in a formal and rigid fashion. Quantitative approach involves the generation of data in quantitative form, that is, in terms of numerical value. It uses statistics, mathematical computational techniques. It's verified by experiments or observation. It's strictly stick on conditions or rules based on given conditions of research problem. This approach can be further subclassified into three approaches: inferential approach, experimental approach, and simulation approach. Inferential approach. It collects data from samples and study to determine its characters. Conclusions are reached on the basis of evidence. Experimental approach. It is a scientific or systematic approach in research. That is, identify and define the key variables of the research problem, formulate the hypothesis, manipulate the variables, and collect data on the result. Hypothesis is nothing but the predictive statement of the given problem. Manipulate the variable means we have to adopt the methodology or algorithm. Based on that, we have to collect the data. Then we have to go for writing the thesis or research papers. Simulation approach. It is the construction of an artificial environment and relevant information, so the data can be collected based on the research problem. It observes the dynamic behavior of the system under some conditions. Qualitative approach. Qualitative approach to research is concerned with subjective assessment of attitudes, opinions, and behavior. That is, it is fully depends upon the researcher's thinking, in which way he understands the research problem and how he direct the research problem towards the result. Research in such a situation is a function of researchers' insight and impressions. That is, it is fully depends upon the researcher, how he understand the research problem and how he adapt the idea, how he directs the research problem towards the result. Such an approach to research generates results either in non-quantitative form or in the form which are not subjected to rigorous quantitative analysis. Generally, the techniques of focus group interviews, projective techniques, and depth interviews are used. In qualitative approaches, unstructured and non-numerical data. It is a field-oriented research. It is mainly based on the deep understanding of particular thing or organization based on samples. Significance of research methodology, that is, importance of research methodology. Increased amount of research make progress possible. That means if we take large samples, the research result is accurate. Whenever we have to go for survey, we have to collect samples not only the current year, we have to take samples for the previous 5 or 10 years. Then only the research result may be, the survey result may be accurate. Research inculcates scientific and inductive thinking, and it promotes the development of logical habits of thinking and organization. Research develops the scientific or systematic analysis and the result oriented thinking, and it promotes the development of logical thinking of the organization. The role of research in several fields of applied economics, whether related to business or to the economy as a whole, has greatly increased in modern times. The increasingly complex nature of business and government has focused attention on the use of research in solving operational problems. Research provides the basis for nearly all government policies in our economic system. For instance, government's budgets rest in part of an analysis of needs and desires of the people and the availability of revenues to meet these needs. Whenever we go for budget, government budget, it fully depends upon the desires of the people, that is needs of people and availability of the revenue. The cost of needs has to be equated to probable revenues, and this is a field where research is most needed. Through research, we can devise alternative policies and can examine the consequences, that is the result of each of these alternatives. Decision making may not be a part of the research, but research certainly facilitates the decisions of the policy maker. So research is fully depends upon the researcher in which way he directs the research problem based on the objective. Government has also to chalk out, that is provide outline programs for dealing with all aspects, that is all features of country's existence, and most of these will be related directly or indirectly to economic condition. Research has its special significance in solving various operational and planning problems of business and industry. Operations research and market research along with motivational research are considered crucial, that is critical or important, and the result helps us more than in one way in taking business decisions. Research is equally important for social scientists in studying social relationship and in seeking answers to various social problems. It provides the intellectual satisfaction of knowing a few things just for the sake of knowledge, and also has practical utility, that is it leads to provide the problem for the research for the social scientist to know for the sake of being able to do something better or in a more efficient manner. Types of research methods: basic research method, applied research method, quantitative research method, and qualitative research method. Basic research method: it is a fundamental research. It is carried out with the intention of or based on the plan. Using this, we have to find, that is the researcher finds for any immediate practical applications. Applied research: it is a scientific study, that is the systematic study. Using this, the researcher to find answers to the particular practical problem, that is it directs us towards the solution of the research problem. Quantitative research method: quantitative research methods are based on numerical values, that is quantifiable, and it makes substantial use of measurement and quantitative analysis techniques, that is it uses regression analysis in statistics and data mining, that is one of the technique that is used in projects and research of any field. Qualitative research method: this qualitative research methods are not quantifiable, it's not in terms of numerical value, and hence not subject to measurement and not quantitative analysis. Research method versus methodology. Research methods. Methods dictate how the research question is addressed. Methods define the nature of the data acquired. Methods define the scope of data analysis and interpretation. It explains the concept of data and importance of data. At the end of any scientific or non-scientific research, the actual tools taken by the researcher to guide and conduct the research into particular subject or topic. It involves conducting tests and surveys. It aims at finding solution to research problems. Research methodology. Its methodology is systematically solve the research problem. Methodology follows literature survey, data collection, data analysis, research ethics, etc. It is a beginning. The technique shows how to conduct the research. It explains the methods by which the researchers proceed with the research problem. It provide the complete methods of the research. Based on that, the research will be conducted properly. It involves the learning of various techniques that can be used in the conduct of research. It aims at employment of the correct procedures to find solutions to the research problem. Quantitative and qualitative method. Quantitative method. Participants are asked to read the questionnaire and identifying two people or two things. That is used to identify the quality of two things, quantity of two things. Qualitative method. It is mainly based on observations and analysis. Quantitative and qualitative methodology. Quantitative methodology, it control context, that is it's mainly based on the conditions that will be controlled. Assigns number to data. It studies include statistical and correlation analysis, surveys and experimental controls. Qualitative methodology. Community based participatory research is involved in qualitative methodology, that is sample based research is called qualitative methodology. Combining quantitative and qualitative methodologies. Comparative analysis, that is it's used to compare based on the evidence two things or two people's character. Textual analysis, it's studying the documents. The researcher used to examine the patterns in a systematic manner. Historical or narrative analysis, it's used to examine the evidence of the past. Thank you.